Hello, my name's Aaron Trimble with Darklight Audio, and today I want to share some of the core features of our newest app, LUFS Ninja. The main advantage to this app is speeding up your workflow with batch LUFS processing. Here we have a couple of masters that I recently did. I could drag one audio file at a time, but I'm going to drag the whole folder, this LUFS test songs, right onto the interface. At the bottom, you can see a status bar. And we're done. That was about 12 seconds. And it's analyzed the LUFS of 5 different stereo tracks, along with the true peak, the loudness units. We also see a delta of the relationship between the tracks. So this song, these songs are by the talented artist duo Jake and Shelby, by the way. Shut Up and Kiss Me is the loudest track at minus 8.64 LUFS. So it's going to be given a baseline of 0. And then everything else is given a negative value from that point. This is really handy in stereo mastering, but also carrying over that same offset into Dolby Atmos. We can see more statistics down here in this drop-down menu. So the quietest track at a glance has this LUFS value, and the loudest track, which we already mentioned, Shut Up and Kiss Me. And then we have this range. We also have this nice graph if you need another visual. If you're doing a large amount of batch processing, you might want another indication that it's done, so we've added a feature where you can hear a sound. I'll drag the same files over again for them to be processed, and we'll hear a sound when it's done. The sound is off by default, so no worries about that getting in the way, but if it's useful to you, then there it is. You can turn that on. A couple of other features, I'm not going to go over everything, but we can drag and drop. We can also select the files, and we have exporting ability. So you can export a CSV if you need this information, just for another engineer, for your archiving, for analytics, anything like that. You can copy all the information, and then you can export these tracks if you want a quick export to, say, minus 14 for listening. Again, very handy mastering feature. That's here, normalized export, and then you can dictate what LUFS you want. It defaults to minus 14. Now, the last little thing is that I can select any of these parts and just copy all of that to my clipboard if I need that information to go somewhere. So I have all these LUFS values, and I'm trying to keep track of them somewhere for some reason. For me, again, it's if I'm taking stereo files and then mastering them in Atmos, I need this offset information. I can very quickly copy that data and then paste it in another document. So there's a quick look at LUFS Ninja. I know it's going to speed up your workflow and save you minutes and probably quickly hours of time.